All right, friends. So today we're going to be looking at IXL for write an expression. Y1 write variable expressions. So it says write an expression for the operation described below, t times 7. So what we're going to write is we're going to write t. On this, we're going to type t x 7. You can also type 7t. That also works. Multiply 8 by r, so we can say 8 times r. Subtract 10 from r. So because it says subtract 10 from r, we need to do r minus 10 because we're taking 10 from r. The quotient of c and d, so we want to do c divided by, make a division sign on the keyboard. What we're going to hit option question mark, c divided by d. W minus v, so we're just going to take w minus v. Divide 4 by t, so take 4, option, question mark, t. It says q increased by r, that means q plus r. Increase means add. Multiply 9 by q, we're going to do 9 times q. Raise r to the second power. Notice you have these extra action items here. So to raise the power, we're going to hit R. If we want to raise it to a power, we're going to hit the third button here, and that's going to take us, and we want it to the second power. We're going to do it just like that. Raise P to the 9th power. Again, P. I'm going to hit the little third button icon here to raise it to the 9th power. And then now it's going to get a little harder once you hit 68. I was going to say multiply 10 by j, then add k to the result. So I'm going to say 10 times j plus k. Okay, raise 9 to the 10th power, then add p to the result. So I'm going to do 9 to the 10th power. And notice I don't want to write like that, so I have to click on the thing again to get a full bar. And then I'm going to add p to my result. P less than the quotient of q and r, so p less than the quotient. So first I have to solve q divided by r, and then p less than the quotient. So subtract p. Raise the quotient of q and r to the third power, so I need to solve that first. So q divided by r. I need to raise that, so I'm going to hit the third thing here to the third power. Raise n to the 6th power, then multiply the result. So I want to hit n, the 4th button now, to the 6th power. And I'm going to click this again, and then multiply that result, so times n. Triple the difference of t and s, so t minus s, that's the difference, times 3. Divide the product of d and c by b. So divide the product of d and c. So I want d times c divided by b. Multiply 2 by g, then double the result. So 2 times g, then times 2. 8 increased by the difference of u. So first I need to do u minus 10 plus 8. So now I'm entering the challenge zone. So that's how you do that's how you get through to the 90% and write variable expressions.